I did not feel supported. I felt over-supported. I mean, they just surround you, encouragement.
It's the best thing about the whole entire course. There's always that group of people that are the negative people in other Facebook groups, no matter what group you're in, except for this group. I mean, there's other groups where people can be brutal.
Being a part of GeekPack Community, I definitely feel supported.
I felt really supported.
Anytime I want to write in the Facebook group, there's a response within minutes, seconds, almost, depending on what time, but it doesn't matter what time, there's always support.
I did lean on the community, especially in those early days, to kind of run things by them and help troubleshoot. And I'm just amazed by how quickly people respond, how compassionate people are. People are just rooting for their fellow GeekPack community members and inspiring them to raise their rates and to take on jobs. And it just feels like a really supportive, cool environment.
They are so supportive, and that's why I love the group, because without this group, I wouldn't have been able to leave my full-time job, that's for sure.